Powerful thunderstorms swept across France on the 3rd of August 2026, unleashing destructive winds, torrential rain, large hail, and dangerous lightning across multiple regions. From Doubs and Somme to Moselle, Oise, Allier, and Vosges, the severe weather left damaged buildings, fallen trees, flooded roads, and widespread power outages as emergency crews responded throughout the evening. The strongest storms struck Doubs, where violent wind gusts damaged property near Reminault, while hailstorms swept through Montbéliard, Pontarlier, L'Abergement Sainte-Marie, and the Jura Mountains. Meteorologists also confirmed signs of powerful downbursts near Flangebouche and Orchamps-Vennes, capable of producing sudden destructive winds. In Moselle, a dangerous supercell thunderstorm pounded Mondelange with hailstones up to 6 centimeters in diameter, while another intense downburst caused localized damage in Hagondange. Further west, severe thunderstorms crossed Somme and Oise, bringing torrential rain, hail, and wind gusts approaching 80 kilometers per hour. Areas around Beauvais, Clermont-de-Loise, Breteuil, Francey, and Abbeville-Saint-Lucien reported damaged buildings, fallen trees, and power failures. In Allier, powerful storms damaged homes, collapsed a barn roof in Saint-Prix, sparked fires from lightning strikes, and scattered debris across several communities. Meanwhile, violent thunderstorms continued across Vosges, where suspected downbursts struck Bains-les-Bains and Xertigny, destroying fences, outdoor furniture, and causing additional wind damage. Authorities urged residents to remain alert as more thunderstorms threatened eastern France, warning that intense rainfall, hail, lightning, and damaging winds could continue into the night.